Click the links in the description for the cheat sheets and the in-depth guide for this tutorial.
Dark times are upon us. We fight for freedom.
Welcome to a fun and exciting journey where we'll create our very own animated movie scene. From designing characters to adding voiceovers, we've got it all covered. If you're new to this, don't worry, we'll guide you through every step. First up, we're crafting our main character. Using Midjourney, we'll design a modern wizard in a T-pose. If the T-pose isn't just right, you can use an image from Clara.io as a reference. Upscale the image and save it. Easy, right? Now let's zoom into our wizard's face. Capture a close-up, and let's create a new image using this prompt. Don't forget to upscale it and add it to your document. Next, let's build our wizard's house. Use this prompt to create an old wizard's house with a grand staircase and glass containers filled with books. It's time to bring our character into the scene. Combine the close-up face and environment images, and voila! Our wizard is home. Let's add some magic with a voiceover. You can use ChatGPT or go to this website for a quick solution. Animation time. With Runway Gen 2, we'll make our wizard come alive. Just drag, click, and download as input_video.mp4. Now for the final touch, let's sync the lips with the audio.
First, open the Wave 2 Lip Google Collab Notebook and press the top play button to prime the notebook to run. Click the play button in the next step. Press Upload Files and select your input_video and input_audio files from your device. Press play again in the section below to start the creation process. Wait a few minutes for the process to complete. You'll see a green checkmark where the play button was once it's done. In the section titled Play Result Video, 50% Scaling, press the play button to view your video. Click the three dots and select Download Now to save the video. Your video should now have full lip sync with audio, ready to be part of your movie. Congratulations on this step.
Dark times are upon us. We fight for freedom.